First of all, Thawda Yahawah, Thawda Yahawah, Barak the Yahawah, Barak the Yahawah, Kal Halalim La Yahawah Basham Yahawah, Basham Racha Kadash, Ibawa, Nathaniel, the strength in order to keep doing these videos, and also just to keep enjoying in general for Thawda Yahawah, Thawda Yahawah. Anyways, let me get to the point. I think as you guys can see right now, I'm playing a clip of which Madrid has had an explosion, and then I think it destroyed a Catholic building apparently. I will know that Yahawah hates it. Yahawah hates these false idols, man. They hate these false idols, and that judgment is just gonna increase. So I think the article says here, 2 killed in Madrid explosion destroying Catholic building. A large explosion was likely caused by a gas leak, according to the mayor of Madrid. Government officials have since updated the initial information given the local media, say the death toll is at least 2, while 1 person is still believed to be missing. So yeah, judgment can happen anytime, and that's essentially the main point of this lesson. And Yahawah is not up for all this nonsense idol worship, man, and this falsehood that Christianity has brought in all these churches. Let's see. Anyways, that's just a quick one I wanted to say. Let me wrap up with one scripture. Okay, can't wait. Let me see. Let's see. Let me check this. Things in Deuteronomy 7. It's a lot here. Okay, I'm just trying to look for the scripture right now. Yeah, so Deuteronomy 12 verse 3. Deuteronomy chapter 12 verse 3. And ye shall overthrow their altars, and break their pillars, and burn their groves with fire, and ye shall hew down the graven images of their gods, and destroy the names of them out of that place. So that's coming, man. Especially when that time of which the spiritual power comes, we're definitely going to be breaking these false graven images, man. Yeah, I was doing it on a low-key level right now, but that's going to increase, man. He's going to shut them down. He's going to keep breaking them, all these explosions and his miracles as well, man. And he's going to do it through his men, the elect men of Yahawah, the 144,000 referred to in Revelation chapter 14. Revelation chapter 14 verse 1. I'll just get that out quickly. Revelation chapter 14 verse 1. So it says, And I looked, and lo, a lamb stood on the Mount Sion, and with him 144,000 having his father's name written in their foreheads. So that's talking about the name Yahawah, which is the name of the Father in heaven that dwells and created everything. But essentially, the main point of this video is that Madrid just got bombed. Well, not just the city didn't get bombed, but basically a Catholic building went down. So that's essentially the message out here. Thawda Yahawah, Thawda Yahawah, Barak the Yahawah, Barak the Yahawah, Wa Salakia, Yahawah, Salakia Yahawah for getting to do double honors to the great Muslim apostles. But I'll say it right now, double honors to the great Muslim apostles who helped to distribute this truth through Yahawah's Racha, Yahawah's spirit. Thawda Yahawah, Thawda Yahawah. Aman, Aman.